guys next time.
What the heck is going on?
Well, I gotta put this on Snapchat. I gotta be like mythical Ann.
This looks
Oh my
ridiculous.
God,
You look
dang.
ridiculous recording each other yourself. What the hell? Where did Jordan go? I can barely see out of this thing. Where did Jordan go? Is you gonna backflip with that?
Oh my god.
Oh, wait, Jordan. Wait, look, Jordan, look. Jordan, look. Jordan, look.
Another one. The girl right in there, she has one, and she was wearing it.
Wearing what? One of these?
Yeah. Look, it's in her hand right now. Look.
What's up?
It's in her hand right now.
Jordan, the way Jordan was just talking to me, looks. I can't
Unicorn gang,
breathe.
you know how it is.
Hi.
I
You know
can't.
how I be out here, Unicorn Squad. What's up? What's up, shit?
I can't
What's up?
breathe.
What's up?
I
Mixtape
can't.
coming out this fall. Mythical.
Hello. 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 Green pants.
Where that go?
Fall back. Fall back.
Oh, back.
Why is the slot
I'm
fit
still mythical
Jordan's? The slot fits Jordan.
Wait, what?
It fits Jordan so well. I can't breathe. And then the unicorn fits you so perfectly too. Oh, I'm crying, look. I'm crying. It's so funny. I can't breathe. Oh my god. I need a different one. I want a different one. You can see through this too easily. Why is this the thing? It's so funny. It's so funny. There's a pussy cat. That's not cute. That's not funny.
There's a funny rabbit.
There's a cat.
Dude, this is what you said.
I went over there and the
Hey,
girl in the
what's-
green pants looked at me and said, "Get the out of my face." I'm like, "I'm 10 feet away from you."
Dude, the sloth one fits you so well. The way you're talking to me and stuff.
I'm gonna be a sloth.
I want to be a sloth with you. Where's the sloth one? I want to be a sloth.
Bro, I'm picking up girls with animal heads.
Dude, you guys have to walk like that.
can't.
You have to like drag your hands.
It's so hard to see out of this thing. PD looks so creepy.
She legit looked at me and said, "You know how many people have had them? We need to sit in there."
You're a tiger.
Exactly.
I trained in lions, but I'm a tiger.
I got this, bro. Record this, man. Record this, man. Watch out, Will.
Well, my dad's gonna watch this video. It's okay, I'm not doing anything, it's not me. I'm putting this back, I can't breathe. look at Petey, turn around. If this one, actually, no, this one, that one's folded in.
Buy these and make a video with them.
They're $20. Oh,
Bro, should we all be uniforms?
there we go, there you go.
No, that's a cat.
There's a dog in there.
Oh, yes, that's bad, bro.
A panther?
Oh, yeah.
Oh wait, you know what I just realized? You know what I just realized? It already matches.
Bro, it matches me too. Look at, I'm wearing black.
I mean, I guess the only one that works with me then. I can barely see at this one. I actually really want one of these.
I got white guy.
Jordan,
AKA
Jordan.
Black Panther. You got the Black Panther over here?
Jordan, I want these for streams.
Oh my gosh.
For live streams?
Yes.
That'd be
Yes.
so fun.
Every time you went, yeah.
Yeah, well, guys, what's up? You know what's left shark? Got my boy Panda right here.
Yeah, you know how it is.
No, I'm a Black
Yeah, your mouth
Panther.
don't
I'm
move.
Black Panther.
You gotta,
Right.
you gotta bounce. You gotta
I'm Black Panther.
do that with your mouth. This sloth works. This sloth works for you. Keep the sloth on. This sloth works for PD so well. Will, turn around. Come here. Will, come here, bro. Come here, bro.
But you see how the leg?
Wait. Hold it. Don't hold it.
You see how the?
This-
No, I got it. Ready? I got it. And then Peter.
I still look beautiful.
You can't really slap. I can't breathe in this thing. Look at Will. Look at Will. They're gonna tell me to stop recording eventually.
Alright, let's get down.
That backup was perfect though. It fell off. Like, look at your headshot off. Let's go look at computer. There's people there. Look at the computer. Look at the computer. One that's right up the opposite side of it. Look at the computer. Which one you want, buddy? Which one you want? Would you like this one?
No.
Over here? These are pretty nice. No, this desktop over here. Yeah, you check this desktop out?
Oh God.
I've
You're
been
fake.
exposed.
You're a fake.
Expose it.
This last one just looks derpy. wait, watch out. Peace sign. Peace sign. You gotta do a peace sign.
You might have
Jordan. Oh my God! Look at him. You know what you guys should do? Those chairs. Go sit in them. Here comes a worker right now. It's like up on this way.
It's a worker.
Jordan.
You have to find one that's like tight. And I can't see because it's so close to the ceiling.
There's so much space in here.
You gotta. Taking over Ethan's vlogs, you know, gang. Yeah, they're back here. Taking over Ethan's vlogs. They don't even know I took the camera. Taking over his vlog.
Did you record behind you?
Yeah.
Good. That's just creepy. Wait, you gotta penetrate with the unicorn horn.
I'm traumatized.
I don't think he likes unicorns anymore.